Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to align your LinkedIn profile with job descriptions in 2026. Many people apply for jobs, but they get overlooked because their profile doesn't match what recruiters are searching for. First, analyze the job description carefully. Look for keywords, required skills, and responsibilities. This is important because both recruiters and ATS use these keywords to filter candidates. Next, update your headline and summary. Include the most important keywords naturally. For example, if a job requires digital marketing, SEO, and analytics, make sure your profile reflects these skills clearly. Then adjust your experience section. Highlight relevant projects and achievements that match the job responsibilities. Use bullet points and measurable results, like increased organic traffic by 35% in 3 months. Also, optimize skills and endorsements. Ah, List the skills mentioned in the job description and get endorsements for them. Recruiters quickly scan these to see if you are a good fit. Finally, keep your profile consistent and updated. Make sure all sections reflect the target role. A well-aligned profile increases your chances of appearing in recruiter searches and getting shortlisted. So yeah, read job descriptions carefully, update your headline, summary, experience, and skills to match. This alignment is key to getting noticed in 2026. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.